Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm gonna show you these fresh mints, sugar free, which are in a flavor of orange, and the company who is manufacturing it is Cavendish and Harvey, as they have the C and H printed over here also. And net weight of the product is 0.49 gram, not gram, it's ounces, that means 14 gram, and it is premium quality, made in Germany. So this is a product of Germany, and it has 50 fresh mint. Camera, please focus, camera, why you not focusing? Yeah, 50 fresh mints which are sugar free. So now I'm gonna open it. It is very sealed pack like this. So how can I open them easily? Yes, now it is. So this is how it looks like. And now you're going to open like this. This is a pack which is very nice. You just need to take it out like this, I believe. Why it is not coming? Yeah, this is how it looks like. The small fresh mint in a flavor of orange. I'm gonna taste it. Seriously, it is a flavor of orange. First I thought I'm having some medicine, but no, it's a mouth freshener, and totally agreeing with orange and mint. Both tastes are there in my taste bud. Loved it. Go and have them. They are very good for mouth freshener. You can use while you are traveling or you are in office late night. So these are very good. Go and try them. Thank you friends. Bye bye. Take care.